everybody, I come up with a lot of ideas and stuff, and tonight I came up with an idea of once again buying some store-bought things, showing you how to doctor them. So we're going to take this rotisserie chicken, pull the skin off. I'm not going to use the leg. I'm going to use the thigh meat. Now you're wondering, what the heck are you cooking, Papa? I'm going to tell you something. We're going to make a chicken and dumpling biscuit sandwich. God, that sounds so good. Get this last thigh meat off. Okay, so this is store-bought gourmet or store-bought comfort food. That's what it is. So here we go. Let me shred this up. And we're going to doctor. We're going to doctor with some Desert Gold. We're going to doctor the mashed potatoes with some cream, some butter, and some little Louis. And then we're going to put a little mayonnaise down. We're going to put some chicken down that's in the gravy. Okay, that's pretty good, but it's kind of bland. So let's hit it with little Louis too, because I want some more sodium in there. So it's going to be light little Louis. Desert Gold, peppers, citrus, garlic, salt, pepper, sesame, you name it. So, with the Desert Gold and the little Louis, we're going to toss it a little bit. Let's take a handful of shredded carrots. Boy, you've never seen carrots so dramatic. My wife and I argued about whether peas are in chicken and dumplings, and I say they are. And if they weren't before, they are now. Now, you can make gravy really easy with butter, a nice roux, and then the chicken stock. You can also make it out of a pouch, it's fine. I'm using some of their pre-made gravy because it's a really good store, high-end, so let's get that in there. Toss it up. There you go, there's our sandwich fixins. Put it right behind me on the stove. Okay, well that's going. Let's get our mashed potatoes going here. A little half and half, just spread it around. A couple little pads of butter. Then some little Louis. Just mix it up quickly with my new battery-powered immersion blender. Wireless. Okay, let's get this on the stove, and then we'll be ready to assemble. So here we go. Let's put a little mayo on both sides here. A little bit of mashed potatoes on the bottom. Now comes the real fun part. Load this on top. Biscuit number one. Let's get this just right. They're looking pretty good, don't you think? Big Papa chicken and dumpling slider. And maybe I'll make one more.